Let's draw a Minecraft selfie. We'll need grid paper, a pencil, an eraser, a black marker, and crayons or colored pencils. Let's get started. This symmetrical self-portrait is drawn in the same size and position on both sides of the middle line. Find the center vertical line on the grid paper and trace over it with a pencil. I'm going to draw the face inside out. Draw eyes where they are equally apart from the middle line. Draw a mouth centered on the middle line. Draw a head evenly around the eyes and mouth. Draw a hairline. Draw a neck and body below the head centered on the middle line. Add details. Once you finish your sketch, trace the outlines in black marker. Erase the middle line and other lines that are not needed. Color it with crayons or colored pencils. Great! I'm going to draw my family too. Dad, Mom, my little brother, and me. All done. Do you want to try it? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!